We're now spending more of our time staring at our computer screens than ever before. Scientists claim that this is doing untold damage to our health, especially our eyes. At the forefront of monitor technology and leading the way for a healthier digital lifestyle is BenQ and their new range of eye care monitors. BenQ's innovative range of eye care monitors reduce growing health problems caused by technology.
There's two things that cause problems with computer screens. The first thing is the flicker that's being emitted by most of the computer screens. We know about refresh rates and things like that of computer screens. Well, as we dim our computer screens, they tend to flicker more, and this causes eye strain and eye muscle fatigue. The second thing is in fact blue light emission. This has been shown recently from research in France to show that it damages the back of the eye called the retina, which is so important to our vision.
With this groundbreaking research in mind, BenQ is revolutionising computer monitors like never before. Their VA panel technology delivers incredible image quality with 3000:1 ultra-native contrast. Most importantly, BenQ's eye care monitors reduce harmful blue light in 4 levels, allowing you to choose how you view your screen depending on the environment, whether it's in multimedia, web surfing, office or reading modes.
The BenQ screens, as an example, reduce blue light emission from 30% to up to 70% in the reading mode.
For the gamers, BenQ have specially developed 10 low blue light levels to minimise the effect of harmful blue light in the gaming series models. BenQ's monitors also feature an anti-glare screen, an automatic eye protect sensor, ergonomic height adjustments and smart reminders to enhance your viewing comfort. BenQ's range of eye care monitors are available in every segment, whether you're looking for something stylish for home, gaming, entertainment, professional or business, giving you the flexibility to choose a monitor that is right for you and looks after your eyes. If you take your eyesight seriously, then you can't afford not to protect yourself against eye damage. Take a look at the latest range of BenQ monitors in store or online.